Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to remove your Lexus IS250 radio. First, gather your essential tools: a plastic trim removal tool, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a 10mm socket. Safety is key, so ensure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is engaged. Begin by gently prying off the side panels of the center console, pulling them straight towards the rear of the car to release their clips. Do this for both the driver and passenger sides. Next, we'll tackle more trim. First, pull down the shifter dust cover, then twist the shifter knob counterclockwise to remove it. Now, gently pry up the main center console cover, being mindful of any electrical connectors underneath that need to be unplugged. You might find one or two Phillips screws securing the cup holder assembly, so remove those. Finally, use your plastic trim tool to carefully unclip the silver accent panels on either side of the radio unit. With the trim pieces out of the way, you'll start to see more fasteners. Remove any visible Phillips screws that secure the surrounding dashboard trim. Next, carefully unclip and remove the air vent assembly located directly above the radio. Be sure to disconnect any electrical harnesses connected to these vents or other trim pieces as you go. Now, you should be able to clearly see the four 10mm bolts that firmly hold the entire radio unit in its position. For the final step, use your 10mm socket to remove those four bolts securing the radio unit. Once the bolts are out, gently pull the entire radio assembly forward. It can be a bit heavy, so be prepared. Make sure to place a soft cloth over your shifter area to prevent any scratches. Carefully disconnect all the electrical harnesses from the back of the radio unit. These connectors are often unique, so reassembly should be straightforward. Your radio is now successfully removed.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.